Before we wrap up part one, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed so far. The complexity of the human brain and the rapid advancements in AI raise some important questions. Do you believe AI can truly replicate or surpass human intelligence across all domains? Think about the areas where AI excels and where it still falls short compared to human cognition. What are the most significant potential benefits and risks of continued AI development? Consider the positive impacts AI can have, but also the challenges or dangers that might come with it. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives and work, it's crucial to think about its broader implications. How do you think AI will reshape industries, job markets, and the skills valued in the workforce? Reflect on how AI might change the landscape of work and what new opportunities or challenges it might create. What ethical considerations should guide the development and deployment of AI technologies? Ethics is a critical part of AI development. Consider the responsibility that comes with creating systems that could impact society in profound ways. Take a few moments to think about these questions. Please send your response to Discord channel or my email in the class notes where we can discuss them together to see where everyone stands and to hear different perspectives. This reflection will help prepare you for the quiz that follows, where you'll get a chance to test your understanding of the key concepts we've covered.